Imagine someone hands you your first $1,000 today. What would you do with it? Many people would rush to buy stocks, crypto, or the next big investment they saw online. But what if the best investment isn't something you can buy on the market? Here's the thing most people don't realize. The way you use your first $1,000 can shape how you think about money for years to come. When people think about investing, they usually think about making their money grow. But before your money can grow, your ability to earn more often needs to grow first. That's why the best investment you can make with your first $1,000 is in yourself. It could be a course that teaches a valuable skill, a few great books, or even tools that help you do your work better. The funny thing is, no one can take those skills away from you. A stock can lose value. A business can struggle. But the knowledge you gain stays with you for life. And every new skill has the chance to increase your income again and again. Sometimes the investment with the biggest return is the one that changes you before it changes. Your bank account. Here's something most people overlook. Money doesn't grow because you have a lot of it. It grows because you manage it well. That's why your first $1,000 is also a chance to build habits that will stay with you for years. Learn to save before you spend. Think twice before buying something you don't really need. Give every dollar a purpose, instead of wondering where it went at the end of the month. These habits may seem small, but they become powerful over time. The truth is, someone with good financial habits can build wealth from a small amount of money. Someone with bad habits can lose a fortune. Your first $1,000 isn't just testing your wallet. It's teaching you how to handle every dollar that comes after it. Think about it for a moment. Your first $1,000 is more than just money sitting in an account. It's proof that you can set a goal and reach it. That confidence is valuable because it changes the way you see your future. Instead of chasing quick wins, you start thinking about steady progress. Instead of asking, how can I double my money this month? You begin asking, how can I keep improving year after year? That's a completely different mindset. The people who build lasting wealth rarely depend on luck. They depend on patience, better decisions, and consistent action. Your first $1,000 isn't the finish line. It's the foundation, and the stronger that foundation becomes, the easier it is to build something much bigger on top of it. The best investment you can make with your first $1,000 isn't just about earning the highest return. It's about becoming the kind of person who knows how to build wealth over time. Skills, good habits, and patience will continue to pay you long after that first $1,000 is gone. So before you ask where to invest your money, ask yourself one simple question. Who am I becoming by the way I use it? That answer may be worth more than any investment you ever make.